guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, ABE, a bit of everything. So now instead of making an animal, we're going to be doing something different and making a paper plane. And this is called the Glider 3, but I'll show you how to make Glider 1 and Glider 2 next time. So first, what you're going to need is a A4 piece of paper and fold it halfway, so from here to here. And now what you want to do here is open it back up and now fold it from here. And now fold this one in half, but upwards. So make sure it's even. And now what you do from here is flip it the other way. And now make this into a triangle. So this bit. To a triangle. So make sure this bottom line is also touching this other bottom line right here, touching with that. And it's okay if this line passes the middle. Now fold this corner to this corner, so like making it look like this. Now do the same for the other side. Make sure it's even. Now fold it like the same way as before. Now what you want to do here is fold this point to this point. Now doing it with the same on the other side. And now opening it. Now what you want to do is close this. So kind of fold it 1/3. And now flip it the other way and then fold it in half. And now what you want to do is fold it this. And then doing it the same with the other side. And now what you want to do is fold these up. And then do it with the other side. And now what you want to do here is flip it the other way around and fold it this point to here, making a tiny triangle. And now doing it the same for the other side. Just on the line. Now when you flip it, it should look like this. And now we are going to test it. It worked! Now you made your own paper plane, glider number 3. And that's it for the video, guys. See you on my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the button. That's all for the video. See ya!